Hello and welcome to the personal property tour for 96A Wellesley Road, Buckhaven. This is a really spacious 2-bedroom ground floor flat, plus you're getting an extra room that could easily be utilised as a home office study. It's in moving condition, ready to go, plus you've got the advantage of off-street parking to the rear. Now what I'm going to do is take you on the tour, show you everything that this property has to offer, and as always keep listening until the end for how you can get further details. So this is your property here, 96A, so you've got your own private entrance into your property. You then have this low maintenance chipped garden to the front. Just for reference, you can understand exactly where we're situated. So we're just on Wellesley Road. You have the convenience store just there, the taxi rank, of course you can see the bus stop just there as well, perfect for commuting. And then obviously just in the opposite direction, your bus stop's just there, and that'll get you along into Leven and to the train station for commuting. But this is the entrance to your property. So straight inside and you'll see just how spacious this property is. It's got such high ceilings as well and so many features that I can't wait to show you, but I just love this entrance coming through these double doors straight into your entrance hallway. Really wide and really spacious. You could easily get a seating area here or storage for coats, shoes and boots. But we're going to come into your first bedroom. So a really bright room, really spacious. You have got your original cornicing all around the ceiling. You've got that wall panelling as well. As you can see, moving condition, ready to go. But a great sized first bedroom. And then if we continue on, so back out into your entrance hallway, and we're going to start to the left. So coming along, you have a really generous sized storage cupboard just here. It also houses the boiler. So that is a storage cupboard there for you. And then coming along, so this is what could be utilised as a home study, a walk-in wardrobe, whatever obviously use would benefit you, but this is a great additional room. Perfect for storage as well if need be. So you're getting 2 bedrooms plus this additional room. Then coming along, we come into your contemporary shower room. So you'll be surprised actually because the shower just keeps on going round. So you've got a great sized walk-in thermostatic shower. You then have your heated towel rail just on the wall, and then your wash hand basin and WC. So really contemporary, modern shower room. We then step down into your second bedroom. So again, a generous sized double. And as you can see, great condition, move in, ready to go. Then coming along, now you're going to be so surprised at the sheer size of this living, dining, kitchen space. It is just incredible. So coming along and look at this. You really weren't expecting to get such a brilliant sized room. So bright as well. Plenty of space for all of your furniture. So you could almost, with the way that it's been designed, you can obviously partition off. So you have your living space almost here. Plenty of space here, and then you have your kitchen area, which we will get into in just a second, but then you could even have a dining table or a seating area in this corner just here, but you've got that light flooding in. Again, you have your wall panelling, you have the cornicing all around the ceiling, so beautiful features, but it's such a great size room. And what I love as well is you have this almost cut out here, so even if you're in the kitchen you can still be socialising with family and friends. As I say, plenty of space here for a dining table, and I just want to show you because you're completely private out the back and not overlooked whatsoever. Now I did mention at the beginning off-street parking, so this is exactly where it is here. Just come round the back off the main road and plenty of off-street parking. But look at that, completely private, not overlooked, and you can see right across. And then let's show the kitchen space. So again, contemporary kitchen. You have plenty of cabinet and worktop space. And then you can see there you do currently have a freestanding hob and oven. So that is your kitchen space. So let's So that was the personal property tour for 96A Wellesley Road, Buckhaven. As you've just seen for yourself, a really spacious 2-bedroom ground floor flat with that additional room that could easily be utilised as a working from home space, a craft room, a walk-in wardrobe, so much potential, while also being really well presented, moving condition, ready to go with that contemporary shower room and kitchen. Plus you've got that great addition of off-street parking to the rear, where you also have those completely unobstructed views, while also having all your amenities on your doorstep as well. So you're getting the perfect ready to go flat while having everything on your doorstep. Obviously you're just right there, and you have the convenience store, the taxi service, or if you need additional commuting, you've got the bus stop just opposite that you can obviously commute to Kirkcaldy, Glenrothes, the opposite direction to Leven. You've also got the train station as well for further commuting if you need to get to Edinburgh and beyond. So you're getting everything on your doorstep. A great, really spacious flat that is moving condition, ready to go. So if you want to get further details, you can either click the link, message me directly, or you can call the team on 01333 421 774. Sophie at 5 Properties, take care.